What happens to your body if you drink raisin water on an empty stomach after waking up? People got to know raisins accidentally when they found dried grapes on vines around 2000 BC, and it was one of the most important food discoveries ever. Vitamins, fiber, and minerals that are abundant in this dried fruit make it a wonder-working superfood that doctors and nutritionists love recommending to their patients. It turns out we can make raisins even more beneficial if we soak them in water overnight. Water dissolves all the minerals and nutrients of a raisin and its skin, boosting the health properties of this powerful fruit. We've learned what health benefits raisin water has, and what happens to your organs and systems if you drink it after waking up. So stick around till the end as we reveal to you 3 important benefits of drinking raisin water on an empty stomach. Number 3. Your liver and intestines will get rid of toxins easier. Ayurveda followers have been using raisin water for liver and intestine cleansing for a long time. In fact, detoxifying properties of raisins are explained by the large amount of antioxidants and dietary fiber that's found in this dried fruit. Antioxidants help our liver work properly and fully perform its detoxifying function, while fibers add bulk to stool and increase the number of bowel movements, helping to cleanse the colon and intestines. Taken on an empty stomach, the raisin water will work even faster. Just don't forget to eat the soaked raisin together with the raisin water. Number 2, you'll get a quick energy boost that will last long. Scientists and sports experts believe that raisins may serve as a good substitute for energy bars. Raisins contain a large amount of fiber and micronutrients and have no added sugar or artificial flavors, unlike many energy bars, which makes them a perfect healthy snack. Raisin water taken in the morning will fill you up with energy for the coming day, or you could also try taking it before a vigorous workout. Number 1. Your level of bad cholesterol will lower and your blood pressure will stabilize. Studies and clinical research have shown that raisins are highly rich in fiber, potassium, phytonutrients, and antioxidants compared to other common snacks. People who regularly eat raisins have lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to those who eat minimal amounts of this dried fruit. What's more is, eating raisins lowers the level of oxidized low-density cholesterol, which significantly reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. There are many recipes for how to make raisin water, and you can find one of them in this video. Studies and people's experiences of regularly eating raisins prove it's a real superfood with a lot of health benefits. Remember, however, that even though raisin water can serve as a good food additive to your healthy diet, it is not a substitute for medication. If you have any problems with the liver, the heart, blood pressure, or any other organs or systems of your body, schedule a visit to the doctor who will examine you and prescribe the necessary medical treatments and diet. Have you ever tried drinking raisin water in the morning?